Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're going to have a little history lesson, and our lesson E today is Boss Steel Line. Boss Steel Line is a company that you will find that markets their products in Canada and Australia and the Far East. In Canada they make garage door openers and their own private label brand of openers, and in Australia they do the same thing. We sell the weather stripping that fits on both of those types of doors. What we sell more of in their product line is radio controls. The radio controls that they make are made for various different countries throughout the world. Radio controls have to be licensed by the country that they're sold in, so the products that are sold in the United States, which are licensed here, are those that we sell. They've been a good supplier of ours for many years and will continue to do so for us.
NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com offers Boss Steel Line products. At North Shore Commercial Door, we are here to offer you the best products on the market. Thank you for watching the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com video. Now please subscribe to our channel so we can continue making informational videos like this.